Hi, it's Michelle from Farm My School, and today we're going to be making one of my favourite recipes, green goddess soup. Beautiful for those cold winter days. So in this recipe, it's a really great opportunity to use up any greens really that you've got in your fridge. So today we're using some little bit of sad broccoli that I've just had sitting in the fridge a little bit too long. Some pretty wilted spinach, but this will be great in the soup. I am going to do a little bit of cauliflower because I don't have other ingredients, but a leek or an onion will substitute just fine if you don't have a leek, and some celery. And just to add a bit of protein into our soup, there's a couple of options. We can either go for some cannellini beans, which are easy to get from the supermarket, or I really love to use a silken tofu. So this will give it a really creamy texture at the end. And of course we need some stock, and if you've got any peas or edamame beans in the freezer, these are also great options to add into the soup. Okay, so we're going to start by chopping up our leek. I'm going to get rid of the top leaves there. Now with leeks, you can't really tell how dirty they are until you get in there. But as you can see here, there's a little bit of dirt inside the leaves of the leek. So I'm going to give them a wash and then we'll come back and chop them up. The good thing about, making a soup is that we don't need to be precious with our chopping. It's literally a quick rough chop. Getting all of that goodness. Even the outer leaves we can use in our soup. We don't need to get rid of too much because this soup we're actually going to blend at the end. So it doesn't really matter how big things are. Just going to pop these in the pot. Next we've got our celery. Once again, rough and ready is the way to go. You can use all of this stalk, even those celery leaves. All of that in. Get all of that beautiful, nutritious food into our soup. And then with our broccoli, I'm just going to chop off the bottom because it's a little bit too rough to be consumed in the soup. You can trim the edges if you wish, or you can just simply chop it up and pop it in. The choice is yours. There's lots of nutrients in the outside of the skin as well. As I said, you can see I'm not paying a lot of attention to the detail here. It's literally just chopping it up so it cooks evenly when we pop it into the pot. So you can see in here we've got our leeks, and they're just we're sauteing them off. There's like maybe a tablespoon of olive oil in there, and to that we're just going to add our celery we've just chopped up and our broccoli. I like to give it a little bit of a fry off before we add our stock. This adds a little extra flavour. Just going to pop our garlic in as well, a few cloves, kind of to taste. I always like to add a bit of extra garlic in when we're cooking autumn, winter, just for that beautiful nutritional benefit. Oh, nice sticky garlic, this one. Just want to get that nice and a few little bits of caramel in there for that flavour. Chopped a bit off our cauliflower. We can use these leaves as well. These are also delicious if you bake them in the oven, and you can actually serve them on top of your soup. It becomes super crunchy and sweet. As I said, there's lots of options you can use. Obviously you can add in zucchini. You can even add potato in if you like. I'm going to chop this spinach up now. It's looking pretty sad, but as I said, this will come to life in the soup. And then I'm going to add this in at the end once I've got the water in. We don't want it in there as long because it starts to lose some of its nutrients. We can go pretty far down on that as well on the stems. We'll just leave that there until we're ready. Now we're going to add some stock. So our soup's going to pop in our stock here. And we want enough to just cover the top of the veg. Now you can use any stock. You can use homemade stock, or we can use a store-bought. It could be powder or a liquid, whatever it is that you have to hand. I just used a vegetable stock. You can use obviously a chicken stock if you're not vegetarian. Options are yours. And we're going to put a lid on that and let that simmer for a bit. Okay, so our soup's been simmering for a little while there. We'll just pop our spinach leaves in there. And then our edamame beans. They can go in at the last minute too because they're already cooked. These are just frozen ones. You can buy these any supermarket. Pretty easy to get. Give that a stir. That really doesn't need to be in there for very long. Just stir that through. You can see that's all cooked. And then we'll just pop our, I'm going to go for tofu today. We'll just pop our tofu straight in. Plop. Those little bits. That only needs to be in there for a minute or so, and then we'll give it a blend. Okay, so that's all ready to go. Just take it over. And we're going to give it a blend. Obviously it's hot, so be careful. So here we have it, our beautiful green goddess soup. As I said, you can use any green veg you've got, any white veg if you want, add it in, cauliflower, potato, but just don't forget that protein. It's really important to make a balanced meal, and often with soups we forget that. So it can be those cannellini beans or our tofu, whatever it is you prefer. Pop it into a mug or a bowl, get some beautiful crusty bread with some butter and enjoy.